Hey everyone, welcome back to Zenith Wellness Channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for our overall well-being: bone health. We often take our bones for granted, but they provide the essential framework for our bodies, allowing us to move, stand tall, and enjoy life to the fullest. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful tips to help you boost your bone health no matter your age. We'll explore everything from the best foods and supplements to bone-strengthening exercises and lifestyle choices. Stay tuned! Let's kick things off with a fundamental nutrient for bone health: calcium. You've probably heard it a million times, but calcium is absolutely essential for building and maintaining strong bones. When we don't consume enough calcium, our bodies actually pull it from our bones, weakening them over time. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are all excellent sources of calcium. If you're following a plant-based diet, leafy green vegetables like kale, spinach, and collard greens pack a calcium punch. And don't forget about fortified foods like plant-based milk alternatives, orange juice, and cereals. These options can be a convenient way to boost your calcium intake. Make sure you're getting enough calcium through your diet every single day. Now let's move on to another crucial nutrient for bone health: vitamin D. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't absorb calcium properly, which means your bones won't get the full benefits. Spending some time outdoors and soaking up those sunshine rays is a natural and effective way to boost your vitamin D levels. Your skin actually produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. However, depending on where you live, getting enough vitamin D from sunlight alone can be tricky. That's where vitamin D supplements come in handy. When choosing a vitamin D supplement, look for vitamin D3, as it's the most easily absorbed form. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplements to determine the right dosage for you. We've covered the power of calcium and vitamin D, but there's another crucial ingredient for strong bones: exercise. When we engage in weight-bearing exercises, we put stress on our bones. This stress signals our bodies to build more bone tissue, making them stronger and more resistant to fractures. Walking, jogging, dancing, hiking. These are all fantastic ways to put stress on your bones and promote bone growth. And if you enjoy strength training, lifting weights is like making a major investment in your bone health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of weight-bearing exercise most days of the week. Even if you haven't been active in the past, your bones can still benefit from regular physical activity. Now let's shift gears and talk about some habits that can actually be detrimental to our bone health. Smoking is one of the worst offenders when it comes to bone health. Nicotine in cigarettes interferes with calcium absorption and reduces blood flow to your bones, weakening them over time. If you're a smoker, quitting is the single best thing you can do for your overall health, including your bones. Excessive alcohol consumption is another habit that can wreak havoc on your bones. Too much alcohol can interfere with the production of new bone cells and increase the risk of falls and fractures. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of calcium and vitamin D to the benefits of exercise and avoiding bone-damaging habits. But there's one more crucial aspect of bone health that I want to touch on: bone density screening. Bone density screening is a simple and painless test that measures the density of your bones and assesses your risk of osteoporosis. The earlier we detect any signs of bone loss, the sooner we can take steps to slow down its progression and reduce the risk of fractures. It's generally recommended to start getting bone density screenings at age 65 for women and 70 for men. Scheduling a bone density screening is as easy as talking to your healthcare provider. During the screening, you lie still on a table while a machine scans your bones, typically your hip and spine. Understanding your bone health is the first step toward taking proactive steps to protect it. That's a wrap on our 5 tips for boosting bone health. We've covered the importance of calcium, vitamin D, exercise, avoiding bone-damaging habits, and getting regular bone density screenings. Remember, building strong bones is a lifelong journey, and it's never too early or too late to start prioritizing your skeletal health. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite ways to keep your bones healthy and strong? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Zenith Wellness channel for more evidence-based health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your